Hello friends, welcome to Relating English. In this video, I'm going to talk about 12 interesting fun facts which are going to be interesting. So before you do, make sure to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more new interesting videos.
Number 1. Over 8 million bacteria can be exchanged in one case. Friends, people who are in a long-term relationship are more likely to have some types of microbiota present in their mouths. Number 2. There is a 1 in 3 chance police will never identify your killer if you are murdered in the US. Fran NPR reports criminologists estimate that at least 200,000 murders have gone unsolved since the 1960s. Number 3. The air you breathe in a train station is 15% human skin. Friend, if you think leaving a train station will save you from inhaling skin, just know that about 80% of floating specks you see in a sunbeam are also skin. Number 4. On average, you secrete 26 gallons of sweat in your bed per year, which means you sweat a little over 1 cup per day on average. Number 5. When you die, your house cat is going to want to eat you. And if your cat doesn't, your gut flora might start taking over your body and colonizing your internal organs. Number 6. If the sun exploded right now, you wouldn't know about it for another 8 minutes. Friend, the energy from the explosion will be traveling at the speed of light, which means it would take 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. Number 7. The hottest spot on the planet is in Libya. Friends, especially the hottest spot ever recorded on Earth is El Azazia in Libya, where a temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit was recorded on September 13, 1922. While hotter spots have likely occurred in other parts of the planet at other times, this is the most scorching temperature ever formerly recorded by a weather station. Number 8. Chewing gum boosts concentration. Friend, next time you are having trouble focusing, you might want to reach for a stick of gum. A 2013 study in the British Journal of Psychology found that those subjects who chewed gum while taking part in a memory challenge were able to stay focused for long periods of time than those who did not chew gum. Longest wedding well was the same length as 63.5 football fields. Friend, when Maria Preskeva, a woman from Cyprus, got married in August 2018, her goal wasn't just to say, I do. She was also determined to set a record. My dream as a child has always been to break the Guinness World Record title for longest wedding veil, she explained. She fulfilled her dream by wearing a lace veil that stretched 22,843 feet and 2.11 inches, or as long as 63.5 football fields. Number 10. Cheetahs don't roar. Friend, cheetahs can't roar, but they can purr, meow, hiss, bark, and growl instead. This type of behavior is much like the domestic cats we keep in our homes. Number 11. The Twitter bird's official name is Larry. Friends, if you truly want to be among the savage social media user out there, you should know that the Twitter bird has an official name, Larry the Bird. Number 12. Sweat doesn't actually stink. Friends, you might notice that any sweat you produce right after a shower doesn't smell so bad. That's because your sweat itself isn't stinky. It's the bacteria on your skin that break the sweat down that cause the odor. Initially, you will find that the sweat on your arms and legs doesn't smell as much as your armpits. That's because sweat glands in your armpits secrete more protein into a dark, damp environment. The perfect place and food for bacteria. Number 13. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Friends, dolphins are known to be one of the smartest animals on the planet. Possibly because they can conserve their brain power, because they must be constantly on lookout for predators. The many mammals have developed a innate trick of maintaining partial consciousness even as a part of their brain sleep. Researchers have tested whether this half sleep negatively impacts the animal's alertness during the day, but have found that even after 5 days of having their nocturnal alertness constantly tested, they remain as alert and perceptive as ever. Number 14. The largest padlock in the world weighs 916 pounds. Created by a team of students and teachers at Pavlov Arts College in Russia, the largest padlock in the world, according to Guinness World Records, measures 56.8 inches tall, 41.3 inches wide, and 10.2 inches deep. Altogether, this hefty lock, including key, weighs 916 pounds. Whatever it's protecting presumably weighs a whole lot more. Number 15. Pigs don't sweat. Friend, if someone tells you they are sweating like pig, you might want to point out them. If you're that sort of person, that if they were being politically accurate, that would mean they were not sweating at all. Swine are born without sweat glands, so when they need to cool off, their only option tends to be find a cool puddle of mud in which they can roll around. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for more interesting facts.